Trail running shoes are specifically developed to endure the harsh and unpredictable terrain of off-road running. They are designed to provide stability, support, and protection to your feet while traversing rocks, mud, and other natural hazards. Choosing the correct trail running shoes is critical for a comfortable and safe running experience. Many variables must be considered when choosing the best trail running shoes for your needs, including the type of terrain you will be running on, your foot type and shape, and your personal preferences for cushioning and support. Links to our products mentioned in the video are available in the description below. We've listed the top 6 best trail running shoes, their important features, and the factors you should evaluate to assist you to choose the ideal one. Let's get started. Number 6. TSIODFO Men's Running Shoe. The Thermoplastic Polyurethane (TPU) sole is a fantastic choice for those seeking both durability and flexibility. Its pliability allows it to bend with your foot for increased comfort. The TPU sole is made of a breathable mesh material, enabling your feet to breathe freely during physical activity. This feature is further enhanced by the breathing insole, which is designed with a honeycomb hole to absorb sweat and deodorize. The shoe's interior is crafted to provide ventilation and maximize airflow, ensuring that your feet remain cool and dry even during the most intense activity. The TPU sole is created with hollow carved technology, providing stable support and optimal shock absorption during sports or other rigorous activities. These shoes are versatile enough to be worn for any occasion, from casual outings to intense workout. So whether you're attending a party, going for a walk, running errands, or engaging in outdoor activities, the TPU sole is a perfect fit. Number 5. Kricely Men's Trail Running Shoes. These men's trail running shoes are fashionable and stylish, made of high-quality materials with a traditional lace-up design. They are suitable for outdoor sports and casual wear, and their lightweight and flexible construction makes them a great choice for any activity. The upper material is TPU knitted mesh, which makes the shoes breathable and comfortable for extended periods of wear. You can wear them for long periods without worrying about your feet getting uncomfortable. The X-Grip sole provides a great grip and shock absorption, making it easier to run and exercise without worrying about slipping or injuring yourself. The dual 3-matted design provides stable support and the best shock absorption effect for sports, further adding to the shoe's comfort and safety. These shoes come in multiple colors, including classic black, fashion camouflage, unique gray, and blue. The reflective design adds a touch of style and safety, making you more visible to others when running at night or in low-light conditions. These men's trail running shoes are suitable for all kinds of sports and daily wear, such as city running, hiking, walking, daily wear, leisure, jogging, tennis, cycling, gym, training, chamming, travel, regular day exercise, indoor, and other outdoor multifunctional sports. They are a great investment for anyone looking for comfortable, stylish, and practical footwear. Number 4. FitVille Extra Wide Walking Shoes. FitVille shoes are designed with a wide toe box and high instep design, providing extended room for free movement of the toes. This feature makes it ideal for people with wider feet and those who suffer from foot problems like plantar fasciitis, flat feet, bunions, and hammer toes. The shoes come with a patented Propel Core sole that offers great support and unprecedented cushioning. This unique design maximizes comfort and minimizes foot fatigue, ensuring that your feet remain pain-free even after prolonged use. FitVille shoes are made from premium, quality materials that guarantee durability and wear resistance. The durable suede and mesh fabric upper ensures that your feet stay dry and comfortable all day long. The non-slip outsole of the shoes is made from rigid rubber, providing added gripping and motion stability. This ensures that you remain steady on your feet and minimizes the risk of slips and falls. The shoes are also designed to relieve heel and knee pain. The shock absorption pads ease your bounce while the solid heel ring makes your step steady. This feature ensures that you feel less tired even after all day walking or standing. Number 3. Vivobarefoot Primus Trail. The Vivobarefoot Primus Trail Knit FSU is a type of minimalist trail running shoe that is designed to give you a barefoot, like experience while providing protection and support. The upper of the shoe is made of a lightweight, breathable knit material that conforms to your foot's shape and provides a snug fit. The material is also water-resistant, making it ideal for use in wet conditions. One of the unique features of the Primus Trail Knit FG is its barefoot design, which means that it has a zero-drop sole and no cushioning or arch support. This allows your feet to move naturally and develop strength over time, but it can take some time to get used to if you're not accustomed to wearing minimalist shoes. Overall, the Vivobarefoot Primus Trail Knit EG is a versatile trail running shoe that is perfect for runners who want to experience the benefits of barefoot running while still having some protection and support. Number 2. KUBUA Kids Sneakers for Boys Girls Running Tennis Shoes. The kids' sports sneakers we offer are designed with your child's comfort and safety in mind. The shoes feature a rubber sole that provides durability and traction. Additionally, the platform measures approximately 50, which provides stability while your child is walking or running. The shoes are made from fabric, which makes them lightweight and breathable. The cushioned insole adds an extra layer of comfort, making it easier for your child to wear the shoes for extended periods. The padded collar also provides extra cushioning around the ankle, which helps to prevent chafing and irritation. One of the key features of these sneakers is their ability to keep your child's feet dry. The fabric used in the shoes is designed to prevent sweat from building up, which helps to reduce odor. The cushioned insole also helps to absorb moisture, keeping your child's feet dry and comfortable. Another important feature of these sneakers is their shock-absorbing technology. The soles of the shoes are designed to protect against bone and muscle strains, which helps to keep your child's knees, ankles, and spine supported. This is particularly important for children who are active and enjoy playing sports or running around. The wear-resistant outsole and anti-collision shoes provide additional protection for your child's feet. The shoes are strong and flexible, which means they can bend without deforming. The excellent shock absorption also helps to keep your child safe while they are playing or running. These kids' sports sneakers are versatile and can be used for a range of activities, including tennis, walking, hiking, playing, dancing, jogging, and running exercises. They are perfect for children who enjoy being active and need a comfortable and supportive shoe to keep up with them. Number 1. NYZNIA Breathable Sneakers for Big Kids. This shoe boasts a combination of features that make it both stylish and practical. The breathable mesh upper provides lightweight support and ensures that your feet stay cool and dry, even during intense physical activity. The rubber sole offers excellent grip and traction, making it resistant to slipping, twisting, and abrasion. Not only does this shoe offer impressive performance, but it also prioritizes comfort. The soft insole ensures that your feet remain comfortable throughout the day, while also providing adequate support to protect your ankle, tongue, and feet from injury. This shoe also features a unique design that is both fashionable and practical. With no significant branding or markings on the exterior, it offers stable support for both casual and athletic occasions, making it versatile and suitable for a wide range of activities. Whether you're going about your daily routine, attending school, working out at the gym, or embarking on an outdoor adventure, this shoe is the perfect companion. Its versatility and functionality make it a great choice for any occasion, including travel, exercise, workout, and vacation. For more detail, follow the link given in the description box down below. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.